Hello, family. I am Mina from Tech Lab. Back to school season is upon us, and we all know how hectic it can be. Teachers are busy reading papers, planning lessons, and attending meetings, while students are juggling homework, classes, and their personal lives. But don't worry, I've got some fantastic tech tools to help you stay organized and maintain your sanity this school year. All right, enough talk. Let's dive in. First up is Maple, a free all-in-one family management app perfect keeping your household organized. It includes a basic calendar, bill prep folder, and grocery list. You can create folders for tasks like home maintenance, pet care, and kids' chores. There are three ways to make a folder. You can either start from scratch, build the folder yourself, start from a template that comes with recommended tools, or use Mabel Fast, which uses AI to create a folder for you. Each family folder includes shared tools around household needs to keep you organized. For example, you can go into chores folder and have a to-do list of things that needs to get done inside of the house. Mabel's best feature is its ability to help you assign or take ownership of household tasks. You can quickly assign a family member to a folder by tapping the three dots on the front of the folder and adding them. Please note, however, that family members can only see the information within the folders you assign them to. This means no more arguing about who forgets to buy groceries. The premium version at $11 a month offers ad-free experience, Google and Apple Calendar sync, including an expense tracker. Mabel is ideal for families with several caregivers or busy teachers who are juggling work and home responsibilities. Next, we have Cozi, a fantastic family organization app to help keep your schedule on track. Cozi offers several unique features designed for family organization, including a shareable calendar that allows your entire family to keep track of events, to-do list and shopping list for easy management of tasks and items needed, appointment reminders to help you stay on schedule, and pre-made checklist for special events such as birthdays, field trips. To access the pre-made checklist, simply click the plus sign in the top right corner, select the list library link, scroll down to find your desired option, and add it to your Cozi checklist. Additionally, Cozi focuses on meal planning. You can browse a selection of curated recipes, and if you find one you like, you can transfer the recipe ingredient directly to your grocery list. Just click on the cart icon and then select groceries to make the process seamless. The key features are free, but the premium version, Cozi Gold, costs $19 per year and offers an ad-free experience, birthday tracker, and calendar chain notifications. Cozi is good for very busy or large families who need extra help with meal planning and remembering the appointment. If you are searching for a more advanced option, Skylight is a touch screen calendar device that includes a built-in planner. It can sync with Google, Apple, Outlook, Yahoo, and Cozi calendars. You can manage chores, week plans, and to-do lists directly on the device. Any event you add to your existing calendars will automatically appear on the Skylight calendar, and changes made on Skylight will also be reflected in your other calendars. At the time of recording this video, the device cost $150 for a 10-inch model and $290 for a 15-inch model. A premium subscription for $39 per year will enable you to extract events from school emails, and you can turn your calendar into a picture frame with unlimited cloud storage. Skylight Calendar is ideal for families with older children who wish to manage their own schedule independently. Lastly, let's talk about how AI chatbots can help you stay organized. OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini can create customizable calendar templates for school activities. I tested ChatGPT and it provided monthly, weekly, and daily editable calendar templates, along with tips on how to edit them. ChatGPT allows for fully editable template directly within the chat box. In contrast, while Gemini offers similar templates, they must be edited externally. This is all I have for you today. These tech tools, Mabel, Cozi, Skylight, and AI chatbots can help simplify your life, whether you're a teacher, student, or busy parent. Let me know in the comment below which of these tools you will try first, and share your favorite organization hacks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on educational technology. See you in the next video.